Hey, Daniel. This is my friend Ria.
Hi, Ria. What is your good name?
Daniel, we don't say that in English.
Oh, really? But everyone in India and Pakistan says, "What is your good name?"
Yes, it's very common in Asia. But in natural English, we just say, "What's your name?" or "How may I call you?"
So, what's your good name is wrong, right?
Yes, try these instead. What's your name? May I know your name? Formal. Can I ask your name, please? I don't think we've met. I'm Daniel.
That last one sounds so natural.
Exactly. It's friendly and polite. When someone asks you, say, "My name's Daniel," or "I'm Daniel."
Never say, "My good name is Daniel."
Right. That sounds very unnatural to native ears.
Native English keeps introductions short and smiling. Tone equals politeness.
Let's do a demo.
Sure. Hi, I don't think we've met before. I'm Daniel.
Nice to meet you, Daniel. I'm Sara.
Nice to meet you too.
Phrase, nice to meet you equals first-time greeting. Nice to see you equals for someone you already know. Here are some funny mistakes learners make. What is your good name? To, what's your name? Tell me your good name, please. To, may I know your name, please? Your good self to, you, yourself. Myself, Daniel, to, I'm Daniel.
Never start with myself plus name. That's not standard English.
Okay, listeners, repeat after us.
What's your name?
May I know your name?
I'm Daniel.
Nice to meet you.
Great job, everyone.
To make your introduction friendly, add a question. So, what do you do? How's your day going? Where are you from?
Oh, that makes it sound more natural and less formal.
Exactly. English is about connection, not just words.
So no more, what is your good name, right?
Right. Just say, "What's your name?" and smile.
Got it. Myself, Daniel. Oh, wait a sec.
Caught you again.
Thank you, Sara, for the lesson.
And thank you, viewers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Friendly English.